Hello, speakers, Jeff here. Vamos falar um pouquinho sobre will and shall. Will to express plans and intentions for the future. I will visit my friend next week. Vou visitar meu amigo na próxima semana. Or to predict future events based on the present evidences. I think it will rain later. Will to offer help or make polite requests. Will you please pass me the salt? Você pode, por favor, me passar o sal? To make decisions at the moment of speaking. I can't find my umbrella. I will buy a new one. To express habitual actions or general truth about the future. She will always help others. Ela sempre vai ajudar os outros. Para usar shall, a gente vai usar quando for uma maneira mais formal ou um pouco mais educada. To express plans or intentions for the future, often in a formal or polite context. I shall send you the report by tomorrow. You can use shall to make offers, suggestions, or seek advice. Shall I help you with your studies? Shall used for expressing future actions in the first person, I and we only. I shall call you later. Hello, speakers! Veja mais exemplos e traduções na descrição do vídeo. Até a próxima!